This move is what we have to expect for the day on GBPJPY. So this video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social, it is a community where you can share your own market insights, market strategy, market updates. You can also get to share your own market idea. It is also a community for traders, analysts, and also developers. It is also a community that has a session for any financial market to trade, be it the stock market or the crypto market or the indices market or the commodity market, whatever financial market to trade. Invest Social has a session for every of this. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. Let's start with our current movement right here on GBPJPY. You can see right here GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. We are currently trending to the upside. Market was able to push up to give us an high, and then we had a pullback, which is an higher low. With this higher low, market then was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high. Here comes a pullback, which is an higher low. Market then did push up again to form a new high. You can see that this new high literally took out this previous high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are to expect on our GBPJPY. So GBPJPY is to give us a bullish move. That is it. Now let's go down to our forward time frame right here, guys. So with this forward time frame, we had a pullback. Market is pushing up. Just in case the market is able to clear this high, I believe it will pull back. So I would expect GBPJPY to fully clear this high, then pull back again to a level of 216650. So let's see if GBPJPY can, or we might want to target 21650 is not actually bad. So let's see GBPJPY literally pull back to a level of 216.650. Then from that zone, we can now look to now hopping for the buy for the day on GBPJPY. If there will be more update on this, I'll make sure I come back here to cover it. If you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com.